Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious custard. First, gather your ingredients: 500 milliliters of full-fat milk, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Also, set aside a small amount of cold milk, about 2 tablespoons, to mix with the custard powder. This initial step ensures a smooth, lump-free custard, setting the stage for a perfect dessert. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process much easier and more enjoyable. Now, let's get the milk ready. Pour the 500 milliliters of milk into a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it on your stovetop over medium heat. You'll want to heat the milk until it just starts to simmer, but don't let it come to a rolling boil. Stir it gently every now and then to ensure it doesn't stick or burn at the bottom. This careful heating is key to a smooth and evenly cooked custard. Next, it's time for the custard powder magic. In a small bowl, mix your 2 tablespoons of custard powder with about 2 tablespoons of cold milk. Stir it well until you have a smooth, lump-free paste. Now, slowly pour this paste into your simmering milk, making sure to stir continuously. Keep stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice the custard beginning to thicken beautifully, reaching that perfect consistency. Finally, let's finish our delicious custard. Once it is thickened, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in the 4 tablespoons of sugar until it's completely dissolved, ensuring a perfectly sweet taste. Let the custard cool down a bit before pouring it into your favorite serving bowls or a large dish. For the best flavor and texture, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Enjoy your homemade, creamy custard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.